Hey there! Today I'm going to be talking about the new Louis Vuitton Beauty release that's coming out here in a couple of weeks. Just my thoughts about it. And if you're curious about it, just stick around after the break and we'll talk all about it. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, favorite fragrance, skincare, handbags, incredibly overpriced beauty, which I buy a little too much of. So today I'm just going to be rambling on about the latest Louis Vuitton beauty release that is set to come out here on, I believe, August 27th is what I've heard. Now, I do not have an associate that has access to these products. I am literally going off of what I've seen and heard on Instagram, on YouTube. There's several creators, and I'll tag them all down below, who've released a ton of content on them. Go check them out because they're the ones who have the details or have contacts and connections. I'm literally just going to be talking about what I've seen, my thoughts, and just if I'm going to buy. So I posted a quick little link to it a few weeks ago and I lost my ever-loving mind, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll show a quick little image of what I saw, and it was the black lip balm that I literally went like, just, I wanted to die. I was like, need it, add to cart, take my money. At the time though, we didn't have prices. We literally just had an image and that was it. We knew nothing. So thinking $160, you know, I bought two. What's one more? Okay, it's black cat. You know, all the things. And then as the information starts coming, their limited edition, the price, all the things, you know, reality starts to set in, but it's still, you know, the devil right here on the shoulder saying, but Nancy, black lip balm, it's a black case, you love black, all the things. Do I love it this much? So I think Lula West had the best images and posts about it, so definitely check out her on Instagram. Critical Beauty is where I saw it, and she got it initially from another creator in Australia. I believe that creator, one of the lighter quad of the eyeshadow apparently had an alternate image in there, so there's information regarding that. Apparently on the eyeshadow quads, there's the limited edition collection quad for each of them. And then there'll be alternate, you can choose an alternate insert of 4 shades. And those are existing colors, which I mean, this is my opinion. Why would you want existing ones when you can get those as refills? So it's like I would think, would want to buy the new colors and then go ahead and buy your quick little refill and just swap them out. So just my opinion. So yeah, when you're seeing these, and you know, the Info Rouge is the one that I was like, oh my God, I need it. I don't think I need the eyeshadow, honestly. I have resisted buying the eyeshadow quad this entire time. I still think it's overpriced at what it was, but now that they want $340 for these and they're limited edition, I mean, granted, yes, the refillable package, okay, fine. I just think that's a little bit ridiculous. The accessories, however, I could get behind, you know, the poche toilette, the lipstick pouch. I could, you know, talk myself into it. I don't see prices for the pouches or the accessories yet, though. And maybe I'm just missing it. I just see, you know, great images, but I'm not seeing the actual potential. Oh, no, I lie. The lipstick pouch will be $560. The poche toilette 15 will be $620. Oh God, oh okay. Ouch. Lip and eye brush set $1,200. Paper case $615. And the Nice Beauty Vanity $960. I gotta tell you, that poche toilette, that's very tempting. It's only a 15, but still, very tempting. I love the Monogram Infrarouge Rouge. I don't have a single piece in my collection yet, and that would be awesome to have. Not so excited about the Monogram Dune, but I'm definitely excited about the Post Toilette. But what I am most excited about, and let me see if I can get the lip balm from one of their images. So this is Critical Beauty's images. I'll insert the picture. It's just better to do it. It's the lip balm, the black lip balm. It has a little holographic flex, and you know me and hollow. Hello. That one died. Want it so bad, but both of these cases, granted, because of product, $195 for the lipstick cases. So far, the info is they will not be refills for them. And this is where I'm getting pissed off. This, and where I'm probably going to talk myself out of it. If there are no refills, these are custom cases. The Infrarouge Rouge has a black ferrule, you know, so where the insert goes in, that is black in there. So if you were to buy refills of another color and throw it in there, it's not going to match anymore, right? The Dune, the Monogram Dune, that's a rose gold case. Maybe not as much of an issue because, you know, the current inserts are gold, but it's still going to look off, right? So I'm like, what do you mean no refills? What if I want these products? What if I love that burgundy lipstick and that black lip balm so much? I want refills for it. So that really ticked me up. I mean, I get not doing the refill in the generic packaging, so you must buy this custom one. But that really pissed me off. I was like, no, the whole point of these cases being so expensive is that they're refillable, right? I mean, maybe I'm just not rich enough to understand that they're not disposable, and I should just be able to throw money to the wind and buy things left and right. But that's my understanding of what the point was. Sustainable beauty, it's refillable, but apparently no. So I'm quite confused by that. When it comes to the Monogram Dune again, the colors are really pretty. I just don't think it's anything eyeshadow wise. I don't think I would ever buy it. And I don't think that the lipstick, why am I drawing blank? The light nude lipstick is really for my skin tone. It's a little bit too light. So really on that side, it's just the balm that's interesting. So it's not just the clear balm. It's similar. It has like the sparkly holographic effects in it. So it's really cute, but I don't think that it warrants spending the cash on it, in my opinion. Again, my opinion. The dark collection is really where it's at for me. Now, again, I'll insert the images. The burgundy, the Infrarouge. Oh my gosh, the dark red is gorgeous. I really like all of the colors, quite frankly, in the Infrarouge. That is a gorgeous collection. So initially, when this was, leaked, announced, what have you, the rumor was this was to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of LV Beauty. Then supposedly there was another post, and I still can't find it anywhere. It wasn't on Louis Vuitton's page that I could find, that it was actually part of the Monogram anniversary, like the overall house anniversary, which doesn't really make sense to me considering we've been there all year. I mean, it seems a little unusual, but it showed the picture of Nicholas and Pat. So, I mean, yeah, kind of, sort of, but also Infrarouge as Monogram anniversary. But it doesn't quite, I don't know, it didn't quite make sense in the grand scheme of things. So I still want to see an actual official press release that you would think they'd be hyping it out by now. If it's coming out August 27th, you'd think we'd start seeing at least the pre-order online. I mean, we've done it even before the hard launches of other beauty products, it came out like a couple weeks in advance. So little just confused about this method of their madness. I'm also kind of confused that Beauty decided to go straight into a limited edition collection of just these pieces. I mean, they just launched the lip liner, which is something I still want to try, but I kind of wish, or I'd hoped that they would have done another product. So it's like, yes, lip liners, great. Go with lipsticks, wonderful. I almost wish they would have gone ahead and delved into another item, either like foundation or concealer or mascara even. That's the eyeliner. It seemed strange to just go straight into a limited edition product and skip over coming out with more core products. But maybe I just don't understand marketing or anything. I'm just a simple person that wants to buy things. But it seems interesting that they'd go for a full-on limited collection before having some more core pieces put in. So just some thoughts, some musings. Again, is it beautiful? Absolutely. Did I lose my ever-loving mind? Absolutely. Do I want things? Mm-hmm. Ultimately, one thing will probably get purchased if I can get my hands on it. I have a feeling this is going to be something that's going to be limited enough that it's going to be hard to get. I know a couple people who've already placed pre-orders, and they may or may not get them. There's no guarantees. Like, their sales associates barely knew of it, which is interesting in and of itself, that it's so secretive, the whole thing. I almost have this, I mean, considering it's coming out in August, it has the secrecy of a holiday collection almost, and almost the look of a holiday collection. It kind of seems odd to come out late summer. So I'm wondering if it actually isn't coming out, and this is just kind of, it got leaked and people are, scurrying to get it, and it's not really coming out. So we'll have to see. We'll see when it happens. We'll see when it goes live. But it seems more like this is for like the holiday and Christmas season, and the color stories and everything seem a little bit more geared towards that type of look, in my opinion. So again, just my opinion. What are your opinions? You think we're crazy for buying? Of course we're crazy for buying all these things at high cost, but are they pretty? Absolutely. I'm just amazed at how much these things are costing, but are they lovely, wonderful items? I have two of the Louis Vuitton lipsticks. I have a regular color, and I have the balm, and I love them both. Love them. If they were not good, I wouldn't say that. I mean, they are incredibly expensive, but I'm gonna say they were worth it. It's the case that was incredibly expensive. The refill isn't that bad technically, so it was really the initial outlay. The component, I mean, it's a good product. I can't wait to try the lip liners. That's my next goal, is to get a couple of those and test them out, because if they're anything like my Merit ones that I wear on a regular basis, I will just have a collection of those and love it. And I'm sure Pat McGrath is a wonderful artist. I would think that she would know what she's doing with many of these items. So I'm intrigued, and I'm excited to try a few things more. So anyway, let me know what you're thinking, and if you're going to buy anything from this collection, and we will see when it actually comes out. All right, take care. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.